Hi everyone, Abby here, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Now today I'm going to be unboxing the new Google Fitbit Air sport band here, and I'm going to be showing you guys what it looks like on the new Fitbit Air. I do have this in the color lavender. It did come out in some other colors as well, which you could see on screen. And this is a great band for if you want to work out and, sweat in it, because this band is not great for that, and this is the, the original one that comes with it. And now I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this, what you guys came here to see. It is not moving, okay. There we go, right out the box. And I want to show you guys the colors. So the color's a little bit different. They're both called lavender, but this one kind of has like lighter shades woven throughout. This one's all just one solid color. They're definitely, in my opinion, not lavender. They're more like periwinkle blue, but this one's a bit more purple in person. So I'm gonna show you guys how to swap out the bands. So to swap out the bands, all you do is you kind of lift this up and you push out. And this is, the Fitbit Air that is tracking all of your activities. To put it in, you are just going to line it up at the hole here and then press it in until you hear that click. And that is it. Super easy to swap out the band here. And I'm gonna try this on. All right, guys, this is what the band looks like on me. I do have this in the size small. You can get it in the large size as well if you wanna, have some more room. Now I do have a 7-inch wrist, and you guys can see I'm at the second hole from the bottom here. So I probably, if I was gonna order again, would get it in the large just to have a bit more room. That's something I prefer in my bands. I like to wear them loose sometimes. Now this definitely does have a different look, different vibe than, this here. And something I like about it is that it's very soft and smooth. And I'm also very excited to work out in this because this one has not been fun to work out in because it does get pretty sweaty. Now, if you guys are looking to pick up the Google Fitbit Air band here, I've gone and left a link down in the description for you to use. And if you want to hear more about this, stay tuned for my upcoming full review. All right, guys, that's all I got for today. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.